everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. This is a factory A-code GT car in slick. Cars out of North Carolina. They say this is actually an older restoration, which has kind of been recently freshened up. But I guess the paint's been on this car for a while. And I'll tell you what, whoever painted this car knew what they were doing, because it is slick. Factory A-code Raven Black. This is the original color combination for this car too. New wheels and tires. Got a killer set of 17-inch billets on it. Coopers all the way around it. You can see they've got the car lowered down a little bit. Killer stance. It's got the GT fog lights. Again, slick paint. Sorry. And like I said, they say this car has actually been done for a while. Chrome and stainless is nice. Slick black paint. If you know anything about paint, black's not easy to lay down, and this car is flat. If you're going to paint a car black, it's got to be straight. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Fold down rear seat. That car nice and flat down the sides. Again, killer stance. It's got the trumpet, the GT chrome tips on it. Good looking car. Front disc brakes. Original A-code 289 4V car. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got a Weiand aluminum intake. Stock exhaust manifolds. It does have rack and pinion steering on it. Front disc brakes. Oh, forgot about this. 5-speed manual trans. It was a factory 4-speed car that they converted to a 5-speed. Chrome air cleaner, finned aluminum valve covers. VIN is on the apron. Shock towers are nice and clean. That's slick paint, and again, that's older paint. Those look original. And dual chrome mirrors. Door tags on there. There'll be a picture on there as well. Door seams are nice and clean. Factory black interior. I've got the black rubber mats on the way. As you know, I don't like carpeted mats in manual shift cars. I think they're dangerous. Factory bucket seats. That's a custom center console. It's got power windows. Power windows are on a center console in there. Again, fold down rear seat. Headliner looks good. It's got a billet wood Shelby wheel on it. Factory dash. Showing 37,000. I don't know the miles on this car since it's, you know, it's actually been restored. But again, they said it was just freshened up. Aftermarket voltmeter underneath the dash. But Hurst shifter. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. 9-inch rear with a 300 gear. Does have traction bars in the rear. It's just a good looking car right there. Clean underneath. Cannot stress you enough, guys, right now. Make sure if you are viewing our cars, make sure you are on southernmotors.com. Tons of scams. I'm literally getting emailed every single day with customers who are looking at our cars on different websites. Make sure you are on southernmotors.com. It's got the optional seat belts in it. Yes, seat belts were an option. It's got the optional flashers there. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Tons of scams out there right now. Everybody wants an old car and everybody wants to buy them as cheap as possible. So these guys put these silly prices on it. They use our old pictures. Make sure you're on some car windows work. Make sure you are on southernmotors.com. Sweet running 289, nothing crazy. Maybe a little cam, I might sense a little cam to it. But nothing crazy. Yeah, they've upgraded that cam a little bit, which is probably what they did when they freshened up. Holding good old pressure. Gauges are all working. Yeah, a little lobe to that cam there. Blower motor work. I never popped it on. Wipers are functional. I couldn't hear what he said. I don't know if he said if it works or not. I never turned it actually on. We'll double check it though. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is for our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. You can also register for our website at southernmotors.com. Have a great day, guys.